friends, what's going on? It is Greg again, back here with another cryptocurrency video. Our little coin journey family here continues to grow. We've got a couple more subscribers in the last few days. I think it would be fun trying to get up to certain likes, and eventually I'd like to do some sort of giveaways or something like that. I haven't quite figured out what that looks like, but today let's try to get 10 likes. That's the goal. If we can get this video 10 likes, we'll have met our goal, so please smash that like button. Anyways, here we are on our YouTube channel here. As we upload videos, they seem to be getting consistent views and the viewership's growing, so I appreciate that. Thank you for those of you who have shared. Today I just want to talk briefly on a subject that I've been getting the most questions about. If you've been around for a while, you know I use both Mining Pool Hub and NiceHash. I kind of switch back and forth depending on the day, depending on a bunch of different things. NiceHash is so easy. You just download the app, you run it, it does everything for you, you're good to go. Mining Pool Hub, while it's still super easy, it's a little more involved, and so I want to touch briefly on today's video about setting up a bat file for Mining Pool Hub. So if you just do a search for Nemos miner, should be one of the first ones that pop up here on GitHub, this guy here, and then you just want to download version 2.4.2. That's the version that I am currently using. You can see over here, here's my Mining Pool Hub balances. So I have some stuff auto exchanging, collecting some. The market seems to be doing pretty decently right now, so I'm accumulating a bunch of different coins, and I use Nemos Miner to automatically switch to the most profitable coin algorithm at the time, and then within Mining Pool Hub you can have it auto exchange into something else. So you're getting kind of the best of both worlds. So if we pull up remote desktop here, we can see here's my Nemos Miner running right here. These are all of the different algorithms that it switches around to. Well, these are the algorithms here. So Lyra, Equihash, Skyne, all kinds of stuff. These are the coins that are being mined with those algorithms with Mining Pool Hub. So when you download the Nemos Miner, it will look something like this. Don't touch anything. Just leave it all how it is. Come over to right here where it says Start Mining Pool Hub. You want to right click on it and click edit, and I've already done that, so I'll open up here and show you what it looks like. So this is how you edit your bat file. This is called the bat file, and I'm going to run through piece by piece, talk about what is important to change. So PowerShell version 5.0, blah blah blah, none of this matters. You'll leave this all default until you get to here. So in this section, depending on how many GPUs you have attached to your rig, you'll add or subtract numbers. So I have 3 GPUs. I have my 1080 Ti, my GTX 960, and my GTX 1060. And so 0 is my 1080, 1 is my 960, and 2 is my 1060. So you'll just want to put 0 space 1 space 2, and then select GPU 0, 1, 2. So say you had 6 GPUs in your rig, you do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have 1 GPU, you just leave it at 0. 2 GPUs, you do GPU 0, GPU 1. Does that make sense? Next, you can change this. I live in the US, so I use the USD currency. This is really just reference. It doesn't change your payout. It doesn't change how the miner works. It just simply gives you a reference of how much you're making per day. So you keep going over. You'll have to set up a Mining Pool Hub account, and then right here you'll use your Mining Pool Hub username. So this is my username. It's also my Twitter and Instagram handle if you guys want to look me up there. And then you give your PC a worker name. This doesn't matter. It will represent in your Mining Pool Hub account. You can see the name of your worker and what it's currently mining. So it's good for reference, but you can set it to be whatever you want. If you have multiple rigs, obviously you want to try to set them something different so you can figure out what rig is doing what. You can set your location here, so if you're not in the US, set your location. That just dictates which pools within Mining Pool Hub it switches to. I actually have no idea what this is. This will be set to Mining Pool Hub by default, so you don't need to touch it. As far as I know, Nemos miner is almost exclusively used for NVIDIA cards. I could be wrong, correct me on that down below, but this should say NVIDIA if you have NVIDIA cards and AMD if you have AMD cards. And then the last section here is algorithms. So here you will write, most of them will already be written in for you, which algorithms you want your miner to automatically switch in between. Now, I had a problem with an algorithm. I can't remember which one it was. I had an algorithm in here that when this started running, so you can see right here, USD per day. Right now, Monocoin is, I make $8.50 in Monocoin per day. But one of the algorithms, for some reason, said I was making $10,000 in that a day, and then it only switched to that because it viewed it as the most profitable, but something was wrong and it wasn't actually mining that. And so I just removed that algorithm from my bat file, resaved it, and everything was okay. So then the important thing you want to do once you have your bat file all set up is to do file and save. So you want to make sure you save it, because if you don't save it, it'll run based on its old setup. And when you originally have mining the Nemos miner set up or downloaded, it's actually going to a different user. I believe it's probably the creator of the Nemos miner, and so it'd be very nice of you to donate to him, but at the same time, you want to make sure you're getting profit for what you are investing. As you can see here, I just switched to Digibyte, $7.90. It switches around often. I actually don't really think these are very accurate. I don't rely on too heavy, mainly just accumulating coins. If you guys have any questions that I didn't cover, I should say, once you hit save, you can close this out, and then you just want to double click on this and it will start running and you're done. It takes a couple seconds. If it's your first time to run it, it'll actually try to benchmark each of the algorithms that you have set up, which takes a while. You will get paid out what it's mining during those benchmarks, but it took a good half an hour to go through. Just keep that in mind. If you guys have any questions, if you run into issues, leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to respond and help. I am by no means an expert in mining. I've actually tried to figure out mining a long time ago. I'm kind of bummed it took me until just a few months ago to actually start mining myself. But I think I have a pretty good handle on how it works now. And so leave a comment down below if you have thoughts or questions, and maybe someone else can help answer those questions if I don't know the answer. Also, leave a comment with what you would like me to do videos on in the future. I created this channel so that we can have dialogue and conversation and help each other on each of our coin journeys, help us find the most profit while we're on this journey together. And so if there's anything I can do, any topics I can discuss that would help this community move forward, let me know. I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.